Introducing SNASH Fit, seat covers crafted from well-fit manufacturers, is the world's leading brand for high-quality seat covers that combine style and comfort. At SNASH Fit, a customer can choose a seat cover according to his design, colors, budget, and fittings. Designs and customer choice are updated over a web app to the manufacturing facility. We believe every seat is unique and gives an unbiased aesthetics to the overall car interiors. First step is using a plotter device. The measurements are fed to the AutoCAD drawings. Then all seat covers are laminated to perfection to give unique comfort and feeling using flame lamination. Then all materials are taken through an automated robotic design stitching process, followed by advanced stitching as per the design. All materials are cut to perfection using computerized laser cutting technology. We ensure 99% perfection in fitment. Once we complete the stitching process, we will send these seat covers to add logos and label. A proper quality check is conducted to make sure a false-proof product is delivered to SNASH outlets. At SNASH, our trained fitment technicians install the seat covers to perfection while preserving the original seats. SNASH Fit's heritage comes with the expectation to deliver high-quality products for valuable customers. Every day we treat every product as individual artwork that fits right into your imagination and comfort. This is SNASH Fit, reasonably priced, first-rate, genuine leather seat covers for all vehicles.